In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can move your space to another ClickUp workspace. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the project that you want to share with another workspace. Let's have this sample project. Now, on the left panel, click right here on the list settings and then go to templates and then save as template. Now, after applying a template name and choosing where you want to share this either to everyone, to admins, to members and admins, or custom, you have the option to also publicly share this template, which means it would then have a link that can be copied to your other workspaces. So once you save this template, and once it's created, as you can see, this copied link can now be accessed by your other workspaces. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.